Hindi ka kasi nakinig.
Right? You forget the global refrigerator.
Hay, hanap tayo ng makain natin, guys. Hanap tayo ng makain. Pa ditong mga ano ito, chicken. Meatloaf. Beef din yan. Kumakain kami ng beef. Ito yun siya, guys, ang mga ano. Hindi alam kung anong kakainin. My scallops. You know what? I'm going to make scallops with shrimp. So now, maghanap tayo ng shrimp. Hanap tayo ng shrimp. Shrimp, alalala. Ito, paborito. Ito ni Tommy. Ang dami pang steak dito. Oh. Labas natin yan para makain. Ulo. Walang shrimp. Ano, maraming shrimp eh. Masarap magluto ng scallops at saka shrimp. So let's see. Yes, meron tayong shrimp. Merong shrimp. Oops. Marami palang shrimp dito. Look. Look. And this one is, there's no shell, so scallop and shrimp yung lulutuin natin ngayon ito. So, isauli natin ito. Ganyan. Ang daming steak. So, yun guys. Yan tayo. Hanap tayo ng seafood. Seafood, lutuin bago masira. Guys, my husband is masakit na naman yung tainga daw niya. Ito yung gamit niya guys. Kapag masakit yung tainga niya, na feeling talaga niya na may tubig. Ito yung gamit niya guys. So, I think last year. You have to you need hot water. I forgot about that. It's been a long time, love. When did you feel the air thing?
It's been getting worse for a couple days.
Huh?
It's been getting worse for a couple days.
Oh, so you had it already? You don't even see anything. Okay. Okay. Ito yung dahilan.
I do it myself if you want.
Han, seriously, Han. Seriously, what am I? I'm not. Am I so? This is still hot, honey. Han.
Try it. It seems like it's warm, but not hot.
Try it. This is hot. No, this is not good, you know. You touch it. It's hot, oh. You don't listen.
Well, it seems very hot.
Because you are from outside and you are cold.
It's got to be warm. It's not, it's got to be warm.
Sabi pa ni Mister, wax lagi daw yung nagka-problema, hindi daw tubig. So sabi niya, wax daw yung dahilan.
Let me know.
Yeah, maybe you got to cool down a little bit.
Yeah. Can you put your head a little tilted? Oh, I need. You're so excited.
So excited.
Kasi guys, pagkatapos kasing maligo, nakaganon siya, and then yung buhok niya nagkaganon, tulo-tulo ba? Nagtulo-tulo patungo sa sulod sa ano ng tainga niya. So kaya yun, this is the second time he used this machine, squirty thing.
Squirt gun.
Squirt gun. A really thick
Yeah, but
hand.
it's got to be warm. If it's not warm enough, it's not going to.
It will. We're gonna use it. Is that, you think that's the wax problem?
Yeah.
Tingin talaga niya guys wax, pero I think tubig. Dahil hindi makinig. Hindi ka kasi nakinig. Yun yung dahilan. Kaya nagkaganito ka.
I do one more cigarette. It should be cool enough. I should
Han,
take it
you
out.
just get in, Han.
I know.
No, you just get in. This is a freaking addiction. Can you just sit here with
It's
me?
a time thing. It's like it'll time it out.
So what,
Maybe
Han?
I'll take that out with me and let it cool down.
No, it will get cold. Han, just sit down here. You're... Adik naman yung kay kasigarilyo, Han.
Yes, I like my cigarillos.
Oh my goodness, sigarilyo.
I like my cigarillos.
It's not good.
Well, then let's squirt some more.
I said it's hot, you don't listen.
Let's squirt some more.
Ay, pagkagahig. Gahig ulo. Tingnan nyo. Hard head. Is this even dissolved?
Can already feel it helping a little bit.
Huh?
Can already feel it helping a little bit.
Serious.
Yeah.
How you do it, he helping? How do you know it's helping?
Because I can hear better. It opens up a little path. It's like poking a hole in the wax. You can tell.
I leave it here. My husband need to clean up. You know he's guapo if he clean up, guys. He's showing his look if he clean up, but he become like lazy cleaning up. So, yun.
What, little man?
Can you get tissue too? Paper towel, I mean. Okay guys, i-continue ko lang ito guys kasi para
Mucky water.
you can see Mac?
Yeah.
Is it? From your ear?
Oh, just cloudy.
Oh, cloudy from your ear. Okay. So, buhay lang ako ng tubig, guys. Kasi, madilim yung bahay. Yan. Yung bed na lang yung naka-on doon. Anyway, tulog na sana kami. Kaso, gusto niyang may mainit sa tainga niya para aniwan ko. Basta gusto niya mainit. So, kaya, ito yung ilagay ko. Ito yung lagyan ko ng mainit na tubig. And then, higa niya sa may, kung saan yung masakit na tainga. And, love. Lala, shit, sa water. Here, Lala. You're so guapo, eh.
We got a regular towel on the dresser?
My hubby is leaving.
Yeah, I'm making coffee. Yeah, I'm making coffee.
You don't put enough creamer here, honey.
Put any creamer in yet.
Huh?
Didn't put any creamer.
Okay. Morning, guys.
Got it? Don't forget the global refrigerator.
I thought you did feed him already.
No, I said they had turkey. Why would I feed them at 4 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning?
That is... God, you're busy.
Everything's full.
Honey. Nag-start na naman magsakit. Ako. Habs.
Take it too long. No. The back seat. The floor and back.
Oh.
Hello guys, tinanong ko pala siya kung okay na ba yung tainga niya. Sabi niya, okay na daw. So I guess nag-work I guess wax talaga yung nandun sa tainga niya. So kaya yon. Buti na lang wala ng sakit. Yun yung mahirap kapag may sakit sa tainga and then wala ka sa bahay. 'Di ba? Yung alam naman natin kapag tainga na yung delikado. Ito yung time din na gusto ko nang umalis si Tommy kasi hinihintay ko siyang umalis kasi gusto na yung kumalibang. Gusto na akong magpupo dun guys. Pero ang tagal-tagal niya dito ang mukha ko. Gusto ko na makalibang.
Love you. I see you later. Have a fun day.
Drive careful, ha?
Yeah.
Drive careful. I'm not going out dito.
I know. Got all lights and TV and
I love you,
cable
Ma.
box. We do. My kids.
Hey, are you gonna shut the light over there?
I'll shut everything.
I'll talk to you later. Drive careful.
Yeah.
Bye.